Hi everyone, and welcome to IMTS 2024. I'm here with Henry Victor, Vice President of Sales for ZEISS IQS in North America. Henry, we're here in front of the ZEISS booth. It is fantastic, it's huge. Would you mind telling us a little bit about what we're looking at back here?
Absolutely. Yeah, thanks, Jay. A big week for us here at IMTS. We have a lot going on. We have an awesome booth. We worked really hard, and it's all for our customers to discover their Superforce.
All right, can you help explain what Superforce is?
Absolutely. So what the Superforce is all about, it's really about our technology and our software, but also our amazing and passionate team, right? And all combined, we enable and help our customers to discover their Superforce. So we have been experimenting with a lot of new things this year, scanning barcodes like an anamorphic display. We have stations that you can walk through and take the hero's journey with ZEISS.
That sounds amazing. Henry, if it's okay with you, I'm gonna take everybody on the hero journey, and maybe we can meet up at the end.
Sounds great, Jay. See you afterwards.
All right, we're here at the far end of the booth behind this really cool piece of equipment with Skylar. Skylar, would you mind taking a little bit of time and explaining to us what the Superforce is here?
Sure, absolutely. So we're currently standing in front of our 5 Series scan boxes, which is one of the many automated solutions that ZEISS offers. Here, we're redefining precision. The Superforce here is going to be based on its accuracy, its repeatability, and its throughput. Every time we see that blue light flash, we're collecting up to 12 million data points. And ultimately, that's going to create a digital twin for us that will compare to the CAD model and do full inspection.
Wow, all right, that's a lot to digest. We're gonna look for another Superforce on our way in our hero journey. We're here to learn about the Superforce for our CMM portfolio. Lars, can you tell us what the Superforce for our customers for our CMM portfolio would be?
Of course, Jay. I mean, you know better than anybody that when we're talking about CMMs, we're touching the part, we want the most accurate data as possible, and this really sets the benchmark for accuracy, no matter what CMM you're working with.
Absolutely, absolutely. So what I think I'm hearing is that the CMM technology is the most trusted, and it's what everything is compared to, and of
Industry
course,
standard.
Industry standard, and of course, our ZEISS CMMs are the benchmark of all of them, right?
Absolutely, Jay.
This stop on our journey, we're here to learn about CT X-ray. Dana, can you explain to us what the Superforce is here at the booth?
Yeah, so with X-ray and CT technology, the real benefit is the ability to see features internal and external. And this can all be done non-destructively. So we don't have to slice into it, we don't have to waste any scrap metal. We can see things like porosities, any inclusions. We can see all the dimensional measures that we would maybe need to keep track of.
Wow, that's crazy. So I really understand all of that happens non-destructively without touching it. That is a Superforce. Dana, thanks a lot. So now we're in the microscopy section, and we're here with Shannon. Shannon, can you explain to us what the Superforce is here?
So our Superforce is magnifying the micron. So we can take your part and look at it from a macro scale all the way to a microscopic scale. We have light microscopes, we have electron microscopes. So our customers use these for all kinds of things, such as visual inspection. They also do material analysis. We do technical cleanliness, X-ray analysis. So we can do a whole lot of things with our instruments.
That sounds like a lot. And of course, I understand that is really ZEISS's main Superforce, because we started with microscopes, right?
We did, and we're well known for our microscopes, and we've been doing it for a long time.
So we are here with the VMM section of the booth with David. David, would you be so kind as to tell us what the Superforce here that we're looking at?
Absolutely. What we are seeing right here is our multi-sensor VMMs, which is essentially a quick and easy way to inspect your parts without physically touching them. So it allows us to very fast and accurately inspect everything we need without spending too much time on the part itself.
Is there anything special about this Superforce that we're looking at right here?
It is. So what we are seeing right here is the O-Inspect Duo, the newest addition to our O-Inspect lineup, where we combined our microscopy technology with metrology for the first time. So this is a very special system, which is quite exciting.
Great. David, thank you for explaining to us what this Superforce is. We're going to continue on our journey. Now we're here with Ian to learn about what the 3D scanner Superforce is. Ian, what do you got for us here?
Yeah,
We have the ATOS 5 here today, which is demoing how we can accelerate digitalization, right? So with the 3D scanning that we're showcasing, it shows how we can get full field data coverage of our part, helps us with creating a digital twin of our part, helps with virtual assembly so we can see how it's going to interact with other components before we even actually assemble them, even into things like virtual clamping, right, where we can actually emulate what a part would look like in the clamp state while scanning it in the free state.
Wow, Ian, I really understand how this technology and you and your knowledge with it can help understand customer Superforce. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man.
So hey Jay, welcome back. How was that?
It was absolutely amazing. I totally understand what you were saying about the technology and, of course, the people. The people were amazing. But I do have one question for you, Henry, and that is, how would someone who wasn't lucky enough to come visit us at IMTS here get a hold of us, and maybe they can figure out their Superforce?
Yeah, absolutely, Jay. So firstly, of course, reach out to one of our passionate team members that you've just met, or just go onto our website, www.zeiss.com/metrology, and we're happy to connect.